The Maonocaster E2A bundle is an all-in-one solution perfect for podcasting and streaming. The bundle combines a multi-channel audio interface for mixing and recording, as well as an XLR condenser microphone, PM320, with a 25mm large diaphragm. Let's start with the audio interface, Maonocaster E2, equipped with a rechargeable battery, Bluetooth chip and wide-O input, as well as 3 audio outputs, 2 analog and 1 digital, USB, allowing you to connect the E2 audio interface up to 3 devices at the same time. The E2 audio interface is compatible with PC, Windows and macOS, as well as audio recording and streaming software, e.g. Audacity, Adobe Audition and OBS Studio, and can be connected to an iOS and Android device via Bluetooth. USB wired connection to Android works, but iOS isn't properly supported. You can adjust the mic audio and background music separately, Sidikine vocals, remove background noise, making the E2 audio interface is perfect for podcast and streaming. The PM320 XLR microphone included in this bundle comes with a shop mount and adjustable desk stand, between 19 cm and 25 cm high. The PM320 mic looks and feels premium, made with a metal body and metal grill mesh. The mic captures clear and detailed vocals effortlessly, thanks to its high sensitivity and low noise. The only minor drawback with the PM32OT mic is the non-adjustable cardioid pickup pattern. The shop mount is made of plastic, while the desk stand has a plastic body, brass thread and heavy iron metal base. When mounting the PM320 mic onto the shop mount and stand, the height of the mic can be adjusted between 37 cm minimum and 44 cm high, max. The Maonocaster E2A audio interface is super easy to use and rechargeable too, giving you around 7 hours battery life from a full charge, 3 hours. Fast charging isn't supported. The E2 audio interface comes with a ton of useful features such as 12-step auto-tune control, 2 simultaneous mic inputs, 48 volts phantom power, reverb, echo effects, and customizable sound pads which can be used to record sound effects or as drum pads for making beats. You can control the instrument gain and volume of the instrument on board too via the large knobs. The Maonocaster E2A audio interface weighs 546 grams and measures 18 cm long by 17 cm wide. It is made mostly of plastic, including the knobs, mic gain sliders and buttons. The pads are made of rubber with a hard press physical actuation. The knobs sit on top of standard potentiometers with stops. The front side of the E2 audio interface is higher up, 4 cm high, than the bottom side, 2 cm high. Despite the plastic construction, the Maonocaster E2A interface feels solidly built, and its compact size makes it ideal for both home and on-the-go use. Additionally, the ability to power the audio interface with built-in batteries adds an extra level of convenience, allowing you to record or stream in various locations without being tethered to a power source. For those starting out in the field of podcasting or streaming, the Maonocaster E2A bundle is a solid entry-level game-changer that works remarkably well without costing too much. The E2A bundle is a worthwhile investment that will undoubtedly enhance the overall quality of your content. Accessories included are the Maonocaster E2 audio interface, PM320 XLR microphone, metal pop filter, 3-pin XLR cable, 2 meters, detachable microphone stand, microphone plastic shop mount, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, 1.9 meters, 2 male-to-male 3.5 mm audio cables, 80 cm long, and monitoring earbuds. The weight of the desk stand and shop mount is 814 grams. When buying the Maonocaster E2A bundle, be aware that this bundle goes by 2 other names, AME2A and E2 Single Mic Bundle, which is confusing. I leave you now with some testing. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Sidechain off. Music only. Noise cancellation low. Noise cancellation high. Noise cancellation off. Music only off. On. Sidechain off. Loop back off. Noise cancellation low. Music only. Mix mode. Direct mode.
Welcome to Gadget Explain. We're excited to review your product on our platform. At Gadget Explain, we provide honest and insightful reviews of the latest tech products. Analysis,
providing a deeper understanding of each gadget's features, performance, and value. Unbiased recommendations. We have no brand affiliations, ensuring 100% unbiased recommendations
tailored to your unique needs. Comprehensive coverage. From smartphones to smart home devices, we cover a wide range of gadgets across various categories. User-friendly interface. Our website offers easy navigation, detailed reviews, and informative buying guides. Timely updates.
Stay up to date with the latest tech trends and releases. Interactive community. Join our passionate community of tech
Enthusiasts to engage, ask questions, and share experiences. Trust GadgetExplained.com as your go-to source for reliable reviews, insightful articles, and helpful buying advice. Trends and releases. Interactive community. Join our passionate community.
come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. All